Hello everyone, today we have a 2006 GMC Sierra K3500. It has the 4x4 and 6.6 liter diesel engine. That is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. See, it does have LED headlight surrounds. It's a big truck, so I'm going to come back here a little bit so that you can see that. The wind is picking up a little bit. And I will add some still photos as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. So it does have gray leather seats and power running boards, Bose sound system, and it has heated seats. All right, and as we look down here to the trip computer, we'll go ahead and scroll through those. And the odometer reads 198,131 miles. You got your lights, 2 and 4-wheel drive, have an aftermarket Pioneer stereo, and that'll have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. Come down here, your comfort controls, and additional power supply here, 2 USBs there, and then we have additional stowage in there, and then your glove compartment, and then your map reading lights, and you have a compass in the mirror, and you have a backup camera. All right, that about wraps it up for this truck on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.